Do you often have negative thoughts or opinions about yourself? Maybe you tend to lose motivation, or you aren't as determined anymore. How do you cope with or evade these thoughts? Students and teenagers are constantly fighting day-to-day battles that can harm them both mentally and emotionally. Especially during and post-COVID pandemic, students and teens are struggling with extreme changes and are faced with mental challenges. Daily, we forget to acknowledge the importance of staying focused and motivated. My name is Joyce DeKiros, and the app that I designed and built is eaze. The purpose of my app is to help students and teens who struggle with intrusive thoughts relax, calm the mind, and to stay motivated. I created my app on Thunkable, utilizing the drag and drop UI and block coding language. I also use Firebase, Cloudinary, and Airtable to store and retrieve data such as user logins, text inputs, image inputs, and quotes. When the app starts, the user is prompted to begin eaze. Then, they are given a breathing exercise, but they can skip it after 10 seconds. The following quote screen will depend on the time of day. There are 3 different quote screens for morning, day, and night. The user will be given a random quote every time the app is run. After, a splash screen will show up for 3 seconds and prompt the user to log in or sign up. Once the user signs up, they must verify their email to be able to log in. After logging in, the user can write themselves affirmations and goals. Every time the user writes an affirmation or goal, it will show up in the home screen. If the user is struggling to understand affirmations or goals, specifically their importance and how to write them, they are provided information and external links. The user can also change their profile picture, which is only visible to them. All images are uploaded to Cloudinary and then stored in Firebase's database. When the user completes their goal, the user is congratulated and their goal is reset. When logging out, all of the user's progress is saved and is not visible by anyone else but themselves. A technical difficulty that I encountered when creating this app was storing and retrieving data from the database. For example, when the user saves an image, it must be uploaded to Cloudinary, which will provide an image URL that I can then use to store into the Firebase's database under the user's ID. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy my app.